We're going to show you this little china mug. Recognise the pattern? I'm sure you do. Everybody does. Royal Albert Old Country Roses. But they made these in a variety of sizes and shapes, so do check the dimensions on this listing. Full Montrose moulding on this one, which is lovely, with those pantaloon type bulges in the wall. Little pedestal base with the jewel lineage there with the gilt. Royal Albert first quality china marks. The limited 1962 copyright marks were introduced in 1972, so we know this one is post 72, probably mid-century, made in England obviously, but it is in fantastic condition. The burnishing around this gilt is as it was made, but just look at the gilt that's been retained on this handle and down the side. Very little wear on that. Usually these go from the heavy use and wear that they get over that, but this one's incredibly clean, almost mint. And the glaze and interior wall, as you can see, I think this one's been loved, cherished and displayed rather than used, so a real opportunity for a collector of Royal Albert Old Country Roses. It's available for sale through the Vintage and Antiques website. We'll put a link description below taking you directly through to the website where this mug's going on sale this afternoon. Thanks for watching.